If I could use one product this summer besides sunscreen, what would it be? Stay tuned. That's coming up next. Welcome back. Christine Byer here, licensed esthetician for 21 years. And this question, what is your answer? If you could only use one product besides sunscreen this summer, what would it be? It would have to be something so reparative, so hydrating for like those days we've been out in the sun. You've got sunscreen on, but you know how your face feels still sort of dry at night? It would need to be super nourishing, but not too thick, and you'd have to wake up to gorgeous glowing skin. What would yours be? I know mine. Yep, it's Korean. Of course, right? It is the Promoter Repair Cell Cream. Why? Because this is packed full of great ingredients. Not only ingredients that rejuvenate the skin, but ingredients that keep you from breaking out, which is amazing in the summer. This is my little studio. Now, we don't actually sell these containers anymore. We sell only the tubes that they come in. Yeah, we only sell them in tubes now, but I love the consistency of this. That's that snail mucus filtrate. This has 4 GF, so 4 different growth factors in it. It also has the polylactic acid that I'm always praising, and it has PGA or plant collagen from, also called PGA. Yeah, so it has, you can see it, that's so stretchy from that snail mucus filtrate. I keep saying filtrate, it's filtrate. And then that has the PGA from plant collagen. So I'm gonna put some of this on my neck. I'm gonna waste it all on my forearms. Yeah, so it's just a powerhouse ingredient, and I mean all the ingredients are powerhouses, and any one in a product would be very reparative and rejuvenating to the skin. But pack all 4 in, and that is my one product I would use during the summer besides sunscreen. Thanks for watching. Bye now.